Welcome to 702 Housing's availability page. In this quick video, we'll walk you through the easy steps to find and book your perfect home away from home. First things first, every property listed here is available for rent right now. We filtered out anything with uncertain availability, so you can trust that what you see is ready to rent. Each listing is the real deal, no surprises when you check in. Plus, our listings are organized by the soonest available dates, making it easy to find a place that fits your schedule. If you see a property highlighted in orange that says "on hold," it means someone else has already applied for it, so it's not available to snag right now. Keep an eye out though. Other great options are waiting for you. A quick heads up, our bookings need to start within 10 days of a property's available date. So if you're eyeing a spot that's available now but want to move in 5 weeks later, it won't work. Keep scrolling down to find an available date closer to your arrival. Also, all our properties require a 31-day minimum stay, but the choice is yours. Go month to month or pick a fixed end date. It's all about what works best for you. Ready to book? Once you've found the place that checks all your boxes, location, bedrooms, budget, and availability, just hit that Apply Now button on the listing page. This kicks off our online application process, which comes with a $50 fee. The best part? It puts a 48-hour hold on the property, giving you first dibs while we complete a quick ID verification and background check. After that, you'll get a lease agreement to sign electronically and instructions on how to pay your move-in total. Once that's done, we'll send you a payment confirmation with all the details you need to self-check-in on your move-in day. And that's it. Your Vegas home is ready when you are. If you have any questions or need help, don't hesitate to call or email us. We're here to make this process as smooth and enjoyable as possible. Thanks for watching, and we can't wait to welcome you.